Yes, before and after plumbing photos are extremely effective, and they can be one of the smartest tools a plumber or homeowner uses to prove work was done right, build trust, and even help with insurance claims or resale value later on. Think of it like taking a picture of your messy room before you clean it, and then another picture after everything is neat and put away, so anyone looking can instantly see the difference without you having to explain a single thing. When a plumber shows a rusty, corroded pipe next to a shiny new one, it proves the problem was real and the fix actually happened, which builds huge trust with the homeowner. Here's something most people do not know. Some plumbers now use tiny cameras on flexible cables to film inside pipes, and they save both the before and after video, not just photos, so you can literally watch the clog or crack disappear. This kind of proof also protects the plumber legally because if something goes wrong later, there's a clear record showing the condition of the pipes when the work was finished. Homeowners should always ask for these photos in writing, either through text or email, so there's a timestamp attached that proves exactly when the work happened. This simple habit turns a normal repair into documented evidence that can raise your home's value during an inspection or resale. One common mistake is taking the after photo too quickly before cleaning up debris or drying the area, which makes the work look messier than it really is. So always wait until everything is wiped down and tidy before snapping that final shot. Another misconception is thinking these photos are only useful for big jobs, when really even small repairs like a fixed leak under a sink benefit from quick photos, since tiny leaks often lead to big insurance disputes later. A third thing to watch for is lighting, because a dark, blurry photo can hide real problems or make good work look questionable. So always use a flashlight or good lighting before taking either picture. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.